Mambo.
Poa.
Mzima?
Ya mzima.
Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Abdul Ali.
Unatokea wapi?
Waji na unatokea wapi?
Natokea Kinondoni.
Kinondoni eh?
Yeah.
Una kipaji gani?
Mimi ni dancer. I'm dancer, yeah.
Karibu.
Okay, thanks.
All you marks swear you with the tough stuff. Till it's time to get bucked. A lot of talk, no news. See, that ain't how I was raised. Send packs, catch fades. Stay on the move or catch strays. Forever on the go. Money getting low. It's bro, I ain't afraid of that. Cause if I made a meal one time, shit, it's no question I can make it back. That's on the game. Fire what up? Drunk laughing at the marks we cut. And how they out here politicking. But ain't nobody but they mama listen. That's on the game. It's hot out here. Seem like everybody getting shot out here. Ex-girl stalking my post. What you looking for? Shot out here? Get lost. They love my sauce. The way I say R, they love my talk. California reppin', Lord's my weapon. Never count my money before I count my blessings. It's hot out here. Girl, you thought we didn't know you was a bop out here? What? Giving boys tops, had enough plots to have haters run up in my house out here. Ooh, better watch yourself. Better watch yourself. Bro, I ain't playing. Better watch yourself. Better watch yourself. Ooh, better watch yourself. Better watch yourself. Bro, I ain't playing. Better watch yourself. Better watch yourself. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Loved it.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep.
Loved it.
Kwanza nimependa energy.
Kabisa.
Nimependa energy na unajua kufanya kitu unachopenda na kupenda kitu unachofanya ni vitu viwili tofauti. Wewe unapenda kitu unachofanya. Ufanye kitu unachopenda.
Thank you.
So kwa upande wangu mimi nitakupa comments kwa nini nakupa yes. Ni kwanza the confidence, ya pili huo wimbo mimi naufahamu na nimeshaona kwenye different dance classes wanavyocheza. What I like about you, kila neno ambayo ulikuwa kuna expression ya kila neno ambayo inakuja, the punchlines. Basically unaujua huo wimbo, unajua punchlines za wimbo ziko wapi, plus you had a reaction to it. Watch yourself, sijui right word, vyote ni kwamba unafanya kitu ambacho unakijua. Routine yako sio kwamba umekuja kudance tu kwa sababu ni wimbo una dance. Yeah. Ni routine ambayo unaifahamu, you know where the song is going, na unaenda nayo. So it's a yes for me.
Oh yeah.
Mtisha sana. Bwana
Yani nimekuwa naangalia stage play music.
Good stuff, yeah.